Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about step 22 in your 28-point furnace tune-up and inspection. Step 22 is measure the return to supply air temperature rise. So in your equipment, it has a recommendation of right around 60 degrees of temperature rise. So the air coming in through the return, being heated and then sent back out through your supply system, needs to have 60 degrees of temperature rise added to it. So what we do is we get a reading at the return, and we go around and we check, not all, but several of the supply registers to make sure that we've got an average of about 60 degrees of temperature rise. In some cases, we find that it's got a 100-degree temperature rise. That means the air is moving too slowly through the equipment, and maybe something's clogging it up. In other cases, we have temperature rises that 40 degrees under that 60-degree mark. That means the air is moving through the system too fast. And if it's moving through too fast, you might have undersized equipment. Maybe gas pressures aren't set right at your gas valve. All kinds of stuff can cause it to be too low, and all kinds of stuff can cause it to be too high. What that means for you is no matter what, if it's not at that average of 60 degrees, it's either costing you too much money to run, or we want to make sure the system breathes right and runs right, has the right temperature rise. We want to keep your family warm, make them happy, and nobody complaining that they're cold, bundled down under blankets. So please, get your maintenance done on an annual maintenance like it's supposed to be done. See you on the next video.